Hey everyone, it's been a while since I posted an update video. The Mustang project has been stalled for a few years, if I'm being honest. I'm a bit frustrated with it, and I'm a bit overwhelmed with it, and when I get like that, I tend to sort of close off. Call it a personality flaw, but it is what it is, and it's time for some real talk. And by the way, I'm sweating because it's hot today. But I do have a little bit of money socked away for that project, and I've decided that I'm sort of sick of waiting. So I think I am going to enlist the help of a fellow YouTube Garage Gang member, Bruce, Bridge Chef Truck, you guys know him as on YouTube. And if I can work it out, which involves a 3-hour drive across the border to Canada during COVID, and I don't know what all that entails, I'm just starting to look into all this stuff. And if you all have any advice or knowledge on that topic, please post in the comments. I'd appreciate it. I don't think you can get into Canada right now, but I'm hoping in the spring that'll change. Anyways, I want to get Bruce to do as much as he can with the money that I have set away with the car. Hopefully he can hang the quarter panel, which scares the crap out of me because of alignment and all that. And possibly tackle the cowl and then assess and maybe replace the roof. I'm gonna probably get his advice on that. So anyways, this video is going to be a project update so that I can get the lay of the land for Bruce to take a look at and let me know what he thinks about the project and if it's something he wants to take it on, and to give all the rest of you all an update on where I'm at. So here's the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, status update on the car. This is all painted, good to go. Brand new front suspension. All of the steering has been restored and put together with new parts. All of the fenders, inner fenders and everything are all painted and good to go, except for a couple of little spots. Like here too, I haven't done this, but this is galvanized. The cowl, I have a new cowl up on the roof there that needs to be installed. I was in the process, when I walked away from it, I was in the process of replacing this lip that got monkeyed up while I was taking out the old cowl. You can see I replaced some sections of this metal. I think the camera might be having a hard time focusing. There we go. You can see I replaced some sections of metal, and then there's some that still need to be cleaned up. Okay. This has all been sandblasted, but then it's now got surface rust again, so that needs to be probably, I don't know, blasted again and then treated. I might handle all that. Brand new quarter panel needs to be treated inside and out and painted. All of this has been cleaned up. This quarter panel is in good shape. It's got some dings that need to be addressed, cleaned up. Brand new rear suspension. Rear end's been restored. Brand new brakes. I have not run lines yet. I don't know if I need lines to transport it or not. If so, I'll install lines. All the interior needs to be, like I said, probably blasted and painted, but it's all been, the rust has been removed. Underneath, the car is all like brand new. That's all been treated, painted. I put in convertible torque boxes to stiffen it up. Now, the two bad things, the roof. And I'm going to leave it to Bruce to tell me if he thinks this roof should be replaced or if it can be salvaged. It's heavily pitted. And if it can be saved, let's save it. When I had it restored in the 90s, it had a vinyl top, and I don't want to do a vinyl top anymore. But we bondoed the shit out of this roof. So if it can be bondoed again and cleaned up and saved, let's save it. Bruce, if you think it needs to be replaced, they sell just the top section on National Parts Depot, and I can buy one. So let me know. A little dent here. Oh, yeah. This camera's having a hard time with the. There's a little dent here. And there is a section in the middle somewhere where it is thin. The metal is pretty thin, but it's just one spot. I think it's over there. You can see there's some Bondo on it still. What else? Quarter panel. This is the part that scares me. I already replaced the lower brace, and I put in a new wheelhouse. You can see my high-tech welding skills, but this is covered, so I didn't really care. So new quarter panel needs to be fitted and installed. I don't trust myself to do it. I'm sure I could figure it out, and I'm sure you can do a better job, Bruce. So, I mean, you can tell it's not that big a job, I think, for you. But for me, I would fiddle with this for many days and still not get it right. So, that's it. I did put in a new, this corner is brand new. Yeah. So, that's it. Like I said, I might have you do as much as you can. Get this project jump started and moving forward. So, if there's anything specific, Bruce, you want to see, let me know. But really, overall, it's pretty clean and ready to move on. As you can see, I've got other projects going right now that are also stalled. This thing needs a transmission. This, this could be tricky. Getting this right. You can see I drilled the shnikes out of it when I, my Greg pen, my Greg marker. Love it. Drilled the crap out of this when I pulled the old cowl. The old cowl was Swiss cheese, so I had to go. This has got some surface rust that definitely needs to be blasted all the way across. That's the dashboard panel. This drip rail is Swiss cheese. I don't know if they sell that part now. I know that back when I was looking at these, they only sold the convertible ones, which can be adapted. But I'd also just as soon shave these. If you have any thoughts on that matter, I like the look of it shaved. The sins of the past. Here you can see some of the metal that I've replaced. This has all been replaced. All right, that's the current status of the project, guys. So I got to get this thing rolling so that I can tow it. So that'll be interesting. Again, if anyone knows anything about getting this thing across the border, please let me know. I'll show you one other thing. Here's the old cowl. The scrap bin. You can see all the cancer. It was in rough shape. It was leaking bad too. Anywho, that's the Mustang update. Thanks for watching, guys.